Hi, I'm Dick Foster with Zone First. Are you still wiring zone dampers the old-fashioned way? Rolling out thermostat wire, having to cut it, strip it, put it in 3 connections, not only at the damper motor, but at the panel? Well, guess what? Zone First has solved that problem for you, and we know that time, your time, is money. We give you 25 feet of telephone cord with every one of our plug-in dampers. Basically, both ends of the damper are already plugged in. We just pull out one end of the wire, and we simply come over to our zone panel, plug it in at the zone panel, and voila, guess what? Our damper is already wired. The other advantage is we have an LED. Once you plug the damper in, the LED will show that we have power to the damper from the panel. And on the panel, we have a simple test button. By pressing that button, we can watch the damper go open and close. The LED will change from green to red, and red to green, depending upon how the damper is positioning at that point. Damper opens and closes. Very simple, quick acting, quiet motor, and a lifetime warranty. No one else offers a lifetime warranty on our damper motors, only from Zone First, the leader for over 60 years.